Welcome to GreenTGarden. In this video, I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna harvest some zucchini and squash. And one of the biggest thing, guys, a lot of people, including myself, we fail always, and I keep telling you guys, it's harvesting. Most of the time, we do not harvest on time. So you have to keep up harvesting. As soon as you harvest, you're basically sending a message to your plant. Keep produce it. And remember, when you take out a big squash or zucchini, all the rest of the energy will force to the next fruit, so you'll keep growing. So the more you harvest, the more you're gonna get. I'm gonna show you right here. So our first one, we got a massive zook right there, so you do want to always come up close. And so you could see it's get a lighter green, but it's still good. Leave it longer, it wouldn't have been the best. I have one more here. Come right there. This one too, overgrown a little bit. See that? But it's fine. He's waiting. Got another one right there. I'll make it. Let's see if I can reach him. Got him. Beautiful, guys. So beautiful. Look at that. Down there's a nice young one. Nice young one. It's coming in there. And then look. These are the golden zucchini. See that? There's another young, beautiful one here. So, and I got another small one there. So, these guys are the young golden zucchinis. They don't really get that big, but they're pretty delicious. I have a round zucchini. These I did the other day. I love it, and Pepper love it. When to harvest these guys is when they're size of a 8-ball. I mean, this one is a little bit overgrown, but that's when you get good compost, right? We got yellow squash, one, and then two right there. So I'll show you guys. These are beautiful yellow squash. Definitely looks so beautiful. So we got another one. See, later on when I come back, guys, I'm gonna cut all these leaves. I don't like to prune when the place is really hot, because then it will put too much stress in my plant, and I really don't want stress right now. So we're gonna come right here. This is another chunky one. This one is overgrown. See, got a little lighter green spot, but still delicious. There's a container one. Same thing. We come right there. This I'm gonna cut that out later, and yeah, it's growing a little weird, but still go. Right there, this plant has been producing a lot for me too, and I love it. See that? Beautiful, guys. We'll just come and harvest this one too, so our plant could produce more. See that? It's pretty cool, right? We have another young one. We're gonna leave that to grow. This one, we're gonna leave that to grow a little bit more. About this section, we have this one that's could grow. That one over here, I want this one. This one is definitely young, nice. Oh, there's one more here. I have the world best neighbor that I'm gonna give him and his family some, and I always love to give my neighbors when I have a bunch, because we can't eat all this stuff. I mean, my pet pig Pepper, he will definitely eat all. It's always excited and fun and blessed. I'm always feeling blessed when I harvest, and I'm so grateful and happy. Yellow squash, golden zucchini, squash, zucchini, round zucchini, and stuff like that. It's amazing harvest, guys. All right, so there you go, a quick video of quick harvesting with GreenTGarden. We're always, as I said, I'm always grateful. I'm hot right now. I wear a long sleeve because when I touch these squash or zucchini plant, they have that spikes on the branch. I'm allergic to it, so it will be itchy and all that stuff. So I wear a long sleeve in the garden, if you guys are curious. And remember, the key is that you want to harvest on time. Try to harvest on time. Try your best to harvest on time, so you're training your plant to produce more, and your plant is going to grow more. And when you pick the big one, it's going to push the energy to the small one. And later on this afternoon or tomorrow, I'm going to show you how I'm pruning all of the plant that I harvest, and tie them up and stake them up back, because this way it'll produce more, and I could harvest by next week and a half. You know, no later than 2 weeks, I'm gonna get another harvest of whatever's grown right now. The plant is just gonna push more energy. Guys, if you're new, subscribe. Is 100% free. Every time I upload a new video, you guys will get it right away. And join GreenTGarden. We're all about gardening and learning the best tips and tricks that we can learn together, guys.